Welcome to Life
with Tisha
and Lisa. To kick off our first video, we're going to be doing a Q&A. Backstory, we're sisters, same dad.
Different mom.
Different mom.
10 questions, 5 easy and 5 hard.
Yeah. So who want to start?
You.
I have to put on my glasses.
The little one first.
What's a memory of us you cherish now?
When you were younger?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter?
Yeah.
Maybe that time we went to Florida.
Yeah, that was
for Christmas holiday.
Yeah, that was a good trip.
Yeah.
That was a family reunion.
Yeah.
My dad has how many kids?
12 that we know of.
12 kids, so we try to connect as much of us try to connect as much as we can.
Yeah. What's your favorite holiday?
Favorite holiday?
Yeah.
I feel like I genuinely don't have one.
Really?
No, I feel like if Christmas comes, I'm gonna enjoy it. Comes on. I don't feel like I have a favorite, like a favorite holiday where you're gonna pull out the stops and be like,
yeah, okay,
yeah.
All right.
Okay, so I know I kind of hinted this question the other day when I asked you what is your favorite color.
Okay.
And the reason why I added this question back, guys, is because it's so bad. We're sisters and I don't know what my sister's favorite color is.
Okay.
What's her favorite color?
I like black, but black is not a color.
What?
It's not a color.
It is.
It's not considered a color.
Okay.
But I like violet.
Okay.
Purple.
That's like purple?
Purple.
Oh,
yeah.
Purple is my favorite
You love
color.
purple too?
Purple is my favorite color.
Oh, okay.
Lavender.
Not lavender. Maybe more,
Yeah, deep purple.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, see. We have something in common.
There you go.
We just to find this out.
Stay up late or wake up early?
Stay up late.
Mm-hmm.
Stay up late.
Yeah. Or wake up. Oh, stay up late.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't like waking up early.
Wow. Okay.
No, I hate that.
Okay.
If you could change one thing about our past, what would it be?
I don't believe in changing past.
Yeah.
I feel like if we change something else gonna happen.
Yeah. And where we are now is okay.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah. I wouldn't really change anything, even though we didn't grow up together.
Yeah.
I think everything happened for a reason. Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah. What would you do if you switch bodies with me for 1 hour? Or maybe a day?
What would I do?
Yeah.
Dress up.
Really? But you're always dressing up.
No, but your level of dressing up is different from mine. Like,
no.
you will dress to the bone to go, grocery shopping. Okay. 1 hour. And basically, me a trade place with you?
Yeah.
Okay, so. Okay, so I would. And I could take the things that I'm using within that 1 hour. So I'd take all the skincare. I'll take all the skincare, all the handbags, all the perfumes.
Okay. All right. You think we have a lot, but I really don't. But okay.
My sister uses nice skincare, guys, not the cheap type of skincare. Oh god. Let's rate each other's cooking.
I am your sister. I'm gonna give her a 9.
So you want me?
You know what? You want me to be honest?
Yes, and I asked her why am I not get 10?
Okay. I'll give her a 9.
Yeah.
The reason why I'm not giving her a 10 because she put too much of everything. Too much pimento. She pour like half a container pimento, half a container garlic. Yeah. So a 9. I'll give her. She can cook, but yeah. Too much of everything. Too much sweet pepper. Too much to me. She's wasting it. Yeah.
Spices are nice.
It is, but you reach a point where if you go picky out or throw it a waste.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so if I were rating your cooking, alright, so cooking and baking, we're going to put it on 2 different levels.
Okay.
Baking, 10 out of 10.
Okay.
Cooking, we'll give a 9 too.
Okay.
And that's only because, you know, I feel like persons when they're getting a little bit older, they don't, just like how you say, I use a lot of this, I use a lot of that, so you use less.
Really?
Yeah. You use a lot of sweet peppers and all that stuff, but not a lot of seasoning and you know.
Okay.
And she like the original way of cooking, like the long way of cooking. So that to time take away from her points, because she want to do the long time cooking with. She want slow cook her peas and all these things. I don't have no time for that.
She like the Instapot. She like rice cooker.
Quick and easy. Am I right?
Okay.
All right. So the hard.
Who is more likely to laugh in a serious moment?
Me.
Yeah.
Smile a while.
She laugh at everything.
And give your face a rest.
I'm more the serious.
Rest in rest.
Yeah. Resting bitch syndrome face.
She have that.
Yeah, I do.
She have that luck.
Not on purpose, but yeah.
So people who don't know her will automatically think that she doesn't like them. But far from the truth.
Or I'm mad.
Yeah.
But I'm not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the dumbest argument we've had?
Have we had argument?
Disagreement?
Oh.
Like what's the dumbest disagreement
That we've had? I don't feel like we've had many. Never really argue. I feel like we've had disagreement and we kind of keep it to ourselves.
Yeah.
But in terms of argue, I don't know if we argue.
No. I feel like we've had miscommunications.
Yeah. She did not.
I feel like we've had miscommunications where like maybe you say something to me and I read it the wrong way.
Yeah.
And then
She go for a period and don't talk. Rather than talk it over or talk to me about it, I don't hear from her.
But I've grown guys. I'm not like that
I
anymore.
hope so. Yeah.
I'm not like that anymore.
But we've gone for a period where I don't want to say we don't talk or manage because I didn't manage anything.
Me just I had that period in my life where I just shut down.
Okay.
And I feel like that was selfish. So if somebody say something or do something that I didn't like selfishly, we just shut down. I would just shut out everybody.
And I mean, I probably shut down too rather than reach out.
As the bigger sister.
Yeah. So, yeah. But I feel like maybe it happened too often, maybe during that time. So, yeah. I don't know. Yeah. I guess it's therapy. I don't know. Is there something you wish I did more as an older sibling?
I honestly feel like siblings in the States tend to be closer than the ones back home. And I know that siblings back home make it kind of hard too, because sometimes we are bad down on they are foreign. So we feel like because of that, siblings like when they live in a foreign country tend to not be so close to siblings that are back home. So the one thing I would have wished for is that we remained close while I was back home in Jamaica.
Okay.
You know?
Okay. All right. I'll leave it there. I can elaborate on it, but I won't. I'm going to leave it there.
But
I feel like it have anything to do with you being in Jamaica, me being in their foreign. And you know, a lot of times it's viewed as family or sibling. They call, I don't know if that really applied to us.
Yeah.
I feel like part of it was simply because we didn't grow up together. We didn't have that sibling bond to begin with.
Yeah.
So maybe a small percentage, but not. I don't feel like that's the entire story. Yeah. No. And I felt like, I don't know if you wanted a relationship. Yeah.
Like why? Because I feel like me are one of those siblings where always reach out to all of my other siblings them. Me feel like I am one of those siblings.
You think so when you were younger?
maybe like even Kirk more than me.
Yeah.
R.I.P.
Yeah.
But I feel like me do reach out, maybe not as often,
Yeah.
but I feel like me always try to connect with my siblings.
Mm. But at what period? Me only remember you calling maybe twice and ask for something. Or maybe once. I don't know. You tell me. Maybe you remember.
No, but me call other times.
When you're old. When?
When we there at Jamaica,
Yeah.
I feel like me always reach out, even on like Facebook when Facebook was a thing.
And Facebook was a thing you were living your life. So I don't feel like I could give any advice. I don't feel like I could talk to you about anything. So that's how I felt.
But also,
Yeah.
me used to get a little bit of feedback like, oh, me put my friend name over my family.
From
blah, blah,
me?
blah. Like, me no recall.
Not from me. So maybe that's your thing. That's why I said, you know, you probably have that in your mind that other people is saying that.
Yeah.
So that's how that would not have been from me.
What's one thing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's one thing you appreciate since I moved in with you?
I appreciate you being here.
Mm-hmm.
I appreciate her making an effort to have a closer bond as siblings.
Someone else do that?
No, I think there's more effort. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. It's something you think I don't know about you.
What is one thing?
Yeah, that you think that I don't know.
The amount of guys I've dated.
And how much that?
That is for another time. That is for another time.
Oh my gosh, that sounds like a.
Come moving along, moving along. Okay.
Poor Rayon.
Did you ever feel any form of resentment that we grew up? Well, I grew up with Cliff, but you didn't grow up with a dad.
Towards
your
you?
dad. Yeah.
No.
No.
I didn't feel no form of resentment. I was angry at him, but not you guys. No.
Okay.
No. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, didn't hurt.
Okay. When did you first found out about me, and how did you feel?
I feel,
Even though, yeah.
I feel like I grew up knowing about you because,
Yeah.
like, it
Yeah.
was not like a shocker
Or a secret.
or a secret.
Yeah.
The shocker was our last sister because I maintained the title of the youngest sister.
Yeah.
But somebody took it from. We have a younger sister who took that title from me. But we always knew
Each other.
Yeah. And I was always excited.
Yeah. She probably doesn't know that I babysat her when she was a baby. But yeah.
No, impossible.
Yeah.
If you could change one thing about our past, what would it be?
Maybe when you just came to Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh.
I think there was some opportunity there in terms of, I don't know. Okay.
Bonding or like.
Yeah, not just bonding. I just feel like I could have involved myself more in the process, whether you wanted me to do that or not.
Yeah.
But maybe I could have pushed myself a little bit more to be included in your life.
Yeah.
Whether you, like I said, I don't know if you wanted that, but
Yeah. Well.
I don't feel like she wanted that, but I feel like I didn't push.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I would have wanted that. It's just,
Yeah.
you know, you move to a new country and I don't know what's going on in your life, and then, like, you know, you listen to all the horror stories.
Yeah.
And I shouldn't judge my own family based on other person's experience, but I feel like that kind of kept me in my own head to be like, you need to figure things out.
Yeah.
And like,
On your own.
yeah.
Okay. What's a fear you have about getting close to me?
I actually
Or
have
closer?
I don't have any fear.
None?
No.
Oh, okay.
I don't have any fear. I feel like that's why I say maturity have a lot to do with any relationship you're in. I feel like home whatever or however I used to be before, I feel like I did just immature, I never grow, I never understand certain things. I feel like my growth will contribute to a better relationship with you, because then me feel like I understand things better now.
Okay.
Or understand things on a different level now. You know what I mean?
We all do.
Yeah, like me just not feel like me did honestly childish before.
Okay.
And me not feel like me that childish anymore. And me feel like me did very me feel like me did very
Spoiled, maybe?
I'm not even spoiled.
Okay.
What's that word? Not nitpick, but more like what's the word I want to use? My word I want to use.
It's okay.
I'm not like that anymore.
Cut that out.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. What's a dream we can help each other reach?
Okay. Or a YouTube channel. Okay.
Subscribe, guys.
Yeah, we can definitely piggyback off each other.
Yeah.
Push it.
Yeah.
You know, make it a thing.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Subscribe, guys.
Anything you were nervous to ask
Prior to moving.
today, maybe? Question? I don't know.
No.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid. You're the one that's afraid.
Oh, I'm not afraid. I'm just a little bit mindful
Okay.
because I know her.
What? No, me?
Yes.
I told you. No, I told you that I'm not the same person. And this is actually therapeutic.
Yeah.
It is.
I just know you may think that I'm oblivious, but I'm not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In terms of what?
Like how you would say, "Oh, I'm just scared," and I'm not scared.
Yeah.
I'm just very much mindful of the things that I say, or
Yeah.
because in the past you say, "Oh, me look at you," I'm like, "What? Oh, me look at you," or I'm like, "What are you talking about?" But I don't know if it's personal to you. I just feel like everybody think me look on people bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we've come to the end of part 1 of our Q&A. If you want to hear more, comment below questions that you think we could ask each other. Please subscribe to our channel.
Like, yeah.
And share.
Thank you.
Bye.